Hi, I'm Melissa, the owner of Simple Spaces. I work with realtors to help them maximize the value of their listings through home staging and decluttering services.